Thank you, Madam Chair. I am Durga Sok, representing Feminist Dalit Organization FEDO and Ideation. We appreciate this opportunity to address the critical situation of Dalit women and girls, 15% of Nepal's women population who face multiple forms of discrimination. Despite legislative progress, our documentation shown persistent discrimination against Dalit women and girls, including elected representatives who face social exclusion, violence, and denial of their fundamental rights. The three areas that require immediate attention. First, access to justice is severely limited. Most Dalit women and girls do not report crimes due to fear, retaliation, and lack of trust in the justice system. We have not seen the promised free legal support. Second, while Nepal has mandatory representation of women in politics, Dalit women meaningful participation in leadership position is very minimal. Elected Dalit women are discriminated against and harassed. Third, Dalit women in intercaste marriage often face life-threatening violence and discrimination. The lack of the protection mechanism of Dalit women has complicated the situation. So we urge the committee to recommend that Nepal implementation specific legislation like Discrimination and Untouchability Act, addressing intersectional and collective discrimination and violence against Dalit women and other marginalized women. To establish strong monitoring mechanism for caste and gender discrimination at all levels, including collective of disaggregated data. Third, create targeted program to enhance the Dalit women and girls' socio-economic and leadership capacity. Reinstate and strengthening protection mechanism for intercaste couple, providing legal and well-being counseling. Fifth, take measure to eliminate the discrimination and exclusion faced by marginalized women and girls, particularly religious minority, women with disability, LGBTI women, or women from the Dalit, indigenous, Madhesi, and Muslim communities. Providing quality universal health services to all women free or at minimal cost, and identify discrimination in providing health care to the Dalit and marginalized women in a way that addressing their intersectionalities. We call upon the committee to hold Nepal accountable for its obligation under the CEDAW and ensure that no Dalit women and marginalized left behind. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'd like to give